Children, you're ready with your social studies book, page 33? This I had asked you to do for homework, and most of you did it very nicely, right? But some of you were not so very clear in your sentences. So what we will do is, I'm sending you the image, check, and afterwards, once I send both the images, you will rub out what you had done and write what I am sending you. Okay? So I'll send you both the images. No, this is, I'm sending you for page 33 just now. I'll be sending. Just wait. Do this in your, quickly, write this in your social studies book, and once you complete it, just raise your hand, okay? Once you complete it, just raise your hand. अद्वैत, जो मैंने लिखा है, just see कि इससे मिलता जुलता होना चाहिए, ठीक है? What I have sent you, it should be something close to it.
Yes, ma'am.
Reading. The one that I have sent, बेटा उसको पढ़ो and see.
Reading stories
to her grandchildren. So write that, beta. You are right. So write that, beta. जो मैंने भेजा है अभी. Write that quickly.
Yes.
Viraj, you are not writing anything, child. Viraj, you should be writing in your book. The image that I have sent, please see what I have sent and write it.
मैम आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही थी.
काम जो भेजा है वो तो पहुंच गया था. Good, Ishanvi, you have done your work. Very good. Good, Ekagr, Hanifa, good. Please write fast, children. Yes, Shayan, good.
Yeah.
Okay, now, after you finish this, children, after you finish this, you will turn to page 34, exercise C. Page 34, exercise C. And check your answers with this. अभी don't send it to me children, you just have to send a thumbs up sign, दिखा देना है मुझे. I will ask for both the pages together. I will ask for both the pages together. So अभी you don't have to. Some of you have now those who finish this work, you will send me the image and then take out your social studies copy. After you finish this work, you will send me the image and take out your social studies copy.
Ma'am, book number.
What happened? I can't hear you better. फिर से बोलो.
Ma'am, book number.
बेटा माइक के पास आके बोलो.
Ma'am, book number.
Page 34. I told you just now, beta. Next page. Now those who are ready with the social studies copy, I am sending you the difficult words of the lesson, what parents do for us. Turn to a new page. Write the name of the chapter, write today's date. Today's date is 26/8/21. नबिहा, वो आंसर लिखो जो मैंने Children, please see what answer I have written and write that answer only. Nabiha, you have not written that answer. Viraj, your answer is wrong. Reading stories to her grandma नहीं है, reading stories to her grandchildren है. ईजान, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स में बेटा कैपिटल P नहीं है, एक ही वर्ड है, स्मॉल p करो उसको. नबिया, करेक्ट योर आंसर. यथार्थ, करेक्ट योर आंसर.
Okay.
Please be very careful about the spellings, children. Nishkart, grandparents, to be started with a capital G. Okay, who is this? What is this? What's happening? Vidushi, what is. No, not Vidushi. Jennifer, make sure that your mic is switched off. Now you can start doing your work, the work that I have sent just now in your social studies copy.
मैम आपको ओपन कितने दिए मैम
Yes?
may I go to WhatsApp?
Yes, go.
मैम मैं वाटर पीने जाऊँ
Ma'am, please may I go to drink water? Yes, Jennifer. Say, ma'am, please may I go to drink water?
पीना है मैम
Ma'am, please may I? जो मैं बोल रही हूँ वो बोलो जेनिफर. Ma'am, please may I go to drink water?
मैम I go to toilet
Ma'am, please may I go to toilet? Who asked me that? Ma'am, please may I go to the toilet?
नायबा मैम
Ma'am, please may I go to the toilet? पूछो.
मैम please I go to toilet
Yes, go please. Jennifer, please ask ma'am, please may I drink water?
मैम I water
Yes, Akshay, go. Jennifer, ask as the other children are asking.
मैम may I go to मैम
Yes.
may I go to toilet
Yes. How many of you want to go to the toilet and water together? Go. Jennifer, please ask me. Jennifer.
मैम may I go to
Yes, Tasmia. Jennifer, can you hear me?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Jennifer, can you hear me? मेरी आवाज आ रही है जेनिफर तुम तक?
मैम कॉपी नहीं मैम
जेनिफर प्लीज रेज योर हैंड अगर मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है तुमको. Jennifer, yes ma'am. Jennifer, say yes ma'am.
मैम what
Ayansh, can't you see I'm talking to someone, child? Switch off your mic. Yes, Jennifer. Say yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is your water?
Yes, go. Go, Jennifer. Go and drink water. Yes, Ayansh, where are you? Ayansh Rastogi?
Ma'am, what to write in the copy?
Yes, I sent that work to write in the copy. And Ayansh, तुम्हारा mic भी बार-बार switch on हो जाता है, and you interrupt a lot. You don't even say excuse me when you are interrupting in between. No, don't do that. Don't do that. It's okay. Go on. Do your work in the copy.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this is
Tasmia, I can't hear you. Tasmia, you are not clear. Speak again.
एसएसटी को लिखना है मैम, आप एसएसटी का देंगे मैम स्पेलिंग्स।
The difficult words you have to write in your social studies copy. Tasmia, okay?
नहीं मैम,
Naima, beta, you have to write this in cursive handwriting. Please rub it out and do it again. Naima, are you there in class? Naima, जैसे normally लिखते हैं उसको वैसे लिखो बेटा. Okay? Rub it out or just draw a line and do it on the next page. Right? जैसे तुमने number 12, no, comprise and all that is for a तुमने मुझे आर फैमिली के डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स भेजे नाइमा. आई वांट टुडेज वर्क. Okay, children. Complete this work. Send it to me in the next 10 minutes. And your classes for today are over. We will. I'm sending you some language work. Please check and check Campus Care also. Bye bye, children. Stay good, stay happy.
Okay, ma'am.